Today we're going to give our summer 2024 market update. What's our environment? We have, in Canada, we have interest rates coming down, employment numbers, our unemployment is going up. It looks very likely we're going to have another interest rate decrease in the fall. That coupled with the fact that the US is definitely going to be doing a decrease and maybe as high as 50 basis points. So if I'm going to bet, I'm going to say at least 50 basis points coming this fall. I'm guessing 75 is my real bet for this fall. That'll be good. I think that'll help us move in the right direction. It's definitely showing that we're hitting the bottom of this real estate stall that we're in for the last 12 months. I do think that there's still going to be a bit of a runway in terms of defaults, because I look at this as like a giant ball that has to stop rolling in the wrong direction. We were contracting capital, and now we're trying to stop that, and I think we're going to go to a slightly more expansionary, yet slowly expansionary money supply again, which will slowly cause us to recover. I think the bank is going to be the government bank, Bank of Canada is going to be very cautious about keeping inflation under control. So while I think it'll be 75 basis points this fall, it's still going to unwind, and there's still more room to grow. Bottom line is, I think that's a good green shoot of saying we're in the early stages of recovery. That is good for people like me who want to invest in mortgages, because right now we're still in a contractionary state. We're going to get higher yields for some time for good risk-adjusted returns, where we're getting positive indicators for carrying debt. So I think this is a great time. The other thing that's going to happen, if you want on the equity side, we're going to see more defaults, which give more opportunities. People are still sitting on the sidelines largely, so there's not a lot of trades. But this is going to change soon, and I think the early adopters are going to win more because what will happen eventually, everybody's going to figure out, like I'm talking big money, is going to figure out that the risk is out of the system, and they're going to want to buy again. I think the play should be, you should try to move into the market slightly ahead of the big money, because as soon as you come in with the big money, then prices are going up anyway, and you've missed your chance, and you won't even be able to compete. You may not even get the properties. So I think the time is now, and when I say now, I guess I'm going to say now over the next 6 to 12 months. So we're in a really interesting time, and I think there's a lot of great opportunities.